Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, finally, the first Friday of the month, that is the day of NFP. As we all know, the market was waiting for NFP because NFP will be deciding the next direction of the market, and for the last couple of days market was trading in a tight range. So this is the chart of DXY or US dollar index in front of us, and we can see that DXY is trading in a close range. Yesterday, during the US session, there was a sudden drop on the US dollar index, as a result of which we got to see some good upside on the chart of gold. And I had a sell limit around 2056, not around, I had a sell limit at 2056. And to be honest, I was hoping for a normal non-volatile market before NFP, because usually we don't get to see much volatility before a major event like NFP. But there was a sudden volatility in the market. My sell limit was triggered and market started going up. Okay, I was not aware of it, because in the morning also I told everyone that I had two other sell limits at 2070 and 2098, and those are major levels, so I was confident about 2070 and 2098. But I also mentioned that 2056 is not a major level because already the market has tested a level. So if the volatility of the market is low, then only the level would work. And I forgot to remove the sell limit, and yes, okay, after I saw market going up, so I thought for a few seconds and I started taking sell positions, okay, that we call as averaging. So thankfully the market reversed and somehow I exited at 2056. Yes, again, when market reversed, I exited 2056, and because of the sell positions I took at the top, okay, I could exit safely. But I will advise everyone that not to practice this. Always use proper stop loss and risk management. I have experience, that's why I could manage. But in most of the cases, we take sell positions against the trend of the market, or we take buy position in a downtrend market, and we do not exit at the right moment. So don't make the mistake. And our buy position at 2030, yeah, it did pretty well. Honestly speaking, I did not expect that huge bounce. Okay, I was not expecting that. Anyways, let's look at the market sentiment. Gold steady, maybe weighed by higher treasury yields. Gold closes higher as the dollar gives up early gains. Yes, it is talking about the sell here. So gold price focus, US jobs data to shape near-term trend. Yes, so today's data is going to be very important, and gold heads for best week in 7 ahead of the US jobs data. And if you look at the economic calendar, you can see that it is coming at 7 p.m. in my time zone. So go to the economic calendar and check the time in your country. So the previous data was 216K, and now the forecast is 180K. Unemployment rate previous was 3.7, and this time or this month's forecast is 3.8. So as we all know it very well that it is not difficult, it is impossible to predict a market. No human being can predict a market except few so-called experts. But yes, be careful at the time of news, especially if you're a beginner, if you're a new trader, if you do not have much capital. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money and capital, because market will give you plenty of opportunities to make money. You don't need to gamble at the time of news. Yes, market gives high moves at the time of news, because of which we love the volatility, but you also need to keep in mind that maximum traders lose money at the time of news only. Okay, and how to trade NFP? There is no proper answer. We cannot predict the market, but yes, if you observe the market, if you gain the experience, you can learn to react after the market. I can give you a small tip, and that is that if you see the forecast is 180K. If the numbers come around 170 or 190K, then there's a high chance that market will not show you any particular direction. Market will just show some spikes. If that happens, then try to avoid. In case you see that there is a big difference between the expected number and the real number. Suppose market is expecting 180k and numbers come around 250k. So this is a huge difference. Or let's say numbers come around 230k, huge difference. So in this case, dollar should be going up, isn't it? Okay, dollar should be going up and gold should be going down, but at the same time you also need to look at the unemployment rate. So you can see that forecast is 3.8. If the unemployment rate reduces, if you see a overall bullish news, then you can expect the market to continue the trend or upside, gold dollar going up, gold going down. But in case you see a mixed result, then it doesn't matter in which direction the market is going, but there's a high chance that market will show price rejection, price reversal, and you may be trapped. So be careful. So without wasting any time, let's talk about the market. First of all, US dollar index. Right now we can see the DXY or US dollar index is just standing at the support right now. The selling pressure was high, so yes, we may get to see some little downside before NFP. If that happens also, I don't think so. Dollar index is going below 102.50 to 102.60. This should be the next support on the chart of DXY. So let's see whether DXY go low or DXY stays in a range. Higher chance that DXY will stay in a range only, because if you look at the history, usually we don't get to see much volatility before a major event like NFP, CPI, FOMC. So my dear friends, if you do not find any opportunities before NFP, okay, don't be impatient, because it is quite normal. You are a trader, not a gambler. Don't forget it. Now let's look at the chart of gold, my dear friends. So if you look at the structure of gold, then obviously there is no doubt that market is bullish on the hourly time frame. Means if you're a day trader, okay, then you can consider this market to be bullish. But as we have a news coming up, so the trend of the market doesn't play a very big role, because fundamentals decide the direction of the market. In case dollar starts going up and if gold starts falling, then obviously there will be pressure on gold and the trend of the market will change. So you can say that the trend we can see on the chart right now will remain for the next couple of hours. After that, market will be deciding a new trend. The trend may continue, trend may go down, but yes, be careful with the trend. Okay, now let's not talk about the higher time frames, but it's of no use. So the trading opportunities that are in front of us are, so during the day, especially during the Asian session and European session, if you see gold going down, observe the market around 2043 and 2047. These are the two levels where we can expect the market to take support. This is 2043 is a medium level. Okay, this is a medium level, medium reliable, and this is a weak level where we can expect to take some support as a day trader. How? Let me show you. See, overall the trend of the market is up. The structure of the market is bullish. There is no doubt about it. And if we draw FIBO here, we can see that we can see good confluence. For example, 2047, 2048. Yeah, around 2047, 2048, we can clearly see we have the previous resistance working as support. Along with that, we have FIBO 50% retracement level. There's a high chance that we will also be having the 50 moving average around the area. We are more considering this level because we can already see market is respecting FIBO. So FIBO is working. After news, FIBO will not have the strength and power. Okay, after the news, once the news is out, follow the trend of the market. Technicals will be of hardly of any use. Okay, they will not work mostly. So during the European session, if you see market standing at 2047, if you see the market is taking support, you can look for a buy position for 2 to 3 hours only. It doesn't matter how much profit you get, try to exit before the NFP. And if you see the market is going down, market is standing at 2047 with a big red candle, avoid the buy, use common sense, then look for a buy around 2043. FIBO 61.8% retracement level, and we have FIBO 61.8% is a golden ratio, and you can see we have the presence of the 50 moving average. So more or less we can expect that out of these two we may get a opportunity. And if you're planning to look for a sell position, then obviously I will not be recommending any sell position here right now, because the structure of the market is bullish. So taking a sell at the previous high is not a good decision. Yesterday we were hoping for a silent market, because of which I had a sell limit. But yes, I also had to pay the price, because the previous resistance did not work. So in case market starts going up, then obviously taking a sell at the previous high is not a good thing to do. But as we have already seen, that 2075 to 2070 is a good resistance, because of previous resistance around the area. We also have FIBO, I have shown you plenty of times. So in case market touches this level, I will be looking for a sell limit. Yes, my sell limit at 2070 is still there. Okay, but I have reduced the lot size. I am using the lot size of 0.25 right now. And I don't think so after NFP, if market goes up, also if gold is very volatile, also gold will be able to cross 2100, because if you look at the contracts data, okay, put is there. At first look at the puts, you can see we do not have any major thing as a support here. But if you look at the call side, okay, 2100, there it is. You can see we have the highest contract standing at 2100. So I don't think so after NFP also gold will be able to cross 2100 as of now. And you can see second highest contract standing at 2075. So 2070, 2075 is really an important level for the market. Before NFP, I don't think so it will be able to cross it. But after NFP, let's wait and watch. After NFP, if gold is very volatile, I may not look for a sell at 2075. But yes, before NFP, obviously my sell limit will be there. Yesterday I forgot to remove the sell limit, but today I will not forget. Okay, and let's wait and watch. But yes, 2100 should be the ultimate resistance for the market before and after NFP also. And if you're wondering about support in case gold drops, then sadly we don't have any major support on the market right now. 2000, yes, 2000 level is still there, but 2000 is far away. Before 2000, the major support will be around 2030. But after news, if gold starts falling, then obviously 2030 is not the level that will be able to hold the market. So try to follow the trend of the market after news. Okay, so that's all from my side. Sorry, I was talking too much. The video became very long. And today I have a Q&A on Instagram. If you want to be a part, if you want to ask me some small questions, you can join the Insta Q&A live session. Don't ask me long questions. I won't be able to answer because I won't be able to show the screen. But yes, I think it will be a good interaction, because our past Q&A was it was very nice. Okay, so follow me on Instagram. The link is in the description. And if you want to be a part of the Q&A live, you're most welcome. The timing is mentioned here. It is today.